The time of day is important. If you pick it too early, it may still have dew on it. And so the best time would be mid-morning when the dew has dried off the flowers, but the hot sun has not yet baked them, dried them out a little bit. But if there's moisture, dewdrops, raindrops on your flowers when you press them, then it's going to cause damage in your flower in the press. So what we're looking for is moisture in the flower, but not on the flower. As the sun gets hotter, it can dry them out. You can see this sometimes in vegetable gardens where plants will start to droop. Now that's an extreme example, but it's essentially what happens to the flowers as well. Although they might not visibly droop, they are getting a little dried out, and they won't be as fresh as they can be.